So just when you think that it's its final form, there's always a next level. There's always another roof, another boundary to push. And that's what we're gonna talk about today. If you saw in my last video, we did a major upgrade to my 23 Lowrider S, Lowrider ST. We did the Hug Stickers decal that I custom designed, and that changed the entire look of the bike, and it looks phenomenal. In this episode, I'm taking it one step further, and we're adding another cosmetic upgrade to the bike. It is a color, and it's from HogWorkz. It's not just one upgrade, it's a bunch of little upgrades. The same color to add an accent to the bike. Should you add an accent color to your bike? Why the hell not? Especially if it's temporary and easy to get off. What is going on, guys? My name is Miles. Welcome back to the channel. This is my 2023 Lowrider S that I have totally converted into a Lowrider ST. And as you can tell, there's something a little different on the bike from what there was last time. We have added some accents to the bike, and we're going to talk about that in this video. But first, you guys know, if you've been here for a while and you've been subscribed to my channel, I just, look at you. Just look at you. I'm so proud of you. You're here with me right now, and I want to say thank you for sticking around. I really appreciate you. If you don't know who I am, my name is Miles. I work at Speedway Harley-Davidson in Concord, North Carolina. I make YouTube videos, I do riding reviews, I do all kinds of cool stuff, and I really appreciate it. If you subscribe to my channel, you will not regret it. I really think you should do it. Hit the subscribe button. So we're in the garage. It is July 7th. I mean, it is so hot. The fires of the sun are coming down on us, and the wave of the heat is just unbearable. So I haven't been riding that much. Today I washed the Dyna. If you guys don't know, I have a 2004 Dyna Lowrider, which I plan on making a lot of content about that. So if you're into that kind of stuff, hit the subscribe button for that. I decided to pull the Dyna out, wash it after I did some yard work, and I thought, hey, this would be a perfect time to do an unboxing for you guys. I've already unboxed the other stuff that we'll go over here. Like I said, this is my 2023 Lowrider S that I converted into a Lowrider ST, so it does identify as a Lowrider ST. We've got a lot of good stuff on this bike. The decal was the last thing I did. If you go back, watch my last video. Should you put stickers on your bike? Yes, you should. I think it's freaking awesome. This looks killer. Before I planned this, I thought about every color combination, this, that, the other, what will go together. So I decided to do the bronze flames and everything with the metallic kind of orange accent color. And then we're gonna have another accent color on that. It's gonna be like a gold-plated stuff. I haven't figured it out yet. So that's gonna be the third accent, but we've done orange. From HogWorkz, we've got crash bar sliders that I've put on. We also have the orange wheelie wings, the orange HogWorkz, I believe it's a 6-inch windshield on here. Didn't want to go too far and get the hand guards. I like the black hand guards. I want to keep it a lot of black. And you guys, I know that bronze doesn't go with orange. I know it doesn't match, but that's the point. It's just badass. It doesn't have to match. It doesn't have to. It actually, if you step far enough back, the flames kind of look like they're in that orange area, and that the orange just kind of lights it up. And like I said, this is temporary. It doesn't have to be permanent. It doesn't have to be on there forever. I can take all this stuff off within 30 minutes. That's all it takes to install this. So I did the little thumb screw on the back here. Another big thing is the derby cover. We did the derby cover down here. And this is all HogWorkz stuff, you guys. Check out HogWorkz website. I've done a lot of HogWorkz stuff to this bike. A lot. The bags, the fairing, like the headlight. A lot of this stuff is HogWorkz, and I'm very, very happy with their stuff. And we've got a box to open still. So let's check out what's in this box that goes with all the orange stuff that I just talked about. Sick. Performance MX foot control kit from HogWorkz. It's not blue though, it's orange. Don't worry. Complete kit includes driver pegs, passenger pegs, brake pad and arm, shifter pad and arm. And that's going to change up everything. As you can see, I'm still running the stock foot controls here, which really bugs me. I really want, you know, some mini floorboards or something, but these are going to be sick. We got the shifter arm. It's all stock, so this is going to be awesome to add to the bike. Dude, this stuff looks awesome. This stuff looks awesome. I think I can install everything except maybe the brake lever. I'm not sure if I'm safe enough to do that. I'm not sure how hard it is to get that brake lever off there, but shifter lever, shifter peg, definitely. Foot pegs, definitely. Let's see if I have time to install this real quick. For a while there, I was second guessing myself, looking at the orange with the flames, and I was like, I just don't know. But after installing these foot controls, it looks completely different, and it changed, it solidified my choice to do this. So, I'm merely just an artist designing its creation. This is what it is, and I'm very, very happy with it. I haven't even really taken it out in public. I'll be making some motovlog videos pretty soon. Haven't done that in a while. But I at least wanted to get one side done on it and show you guys the bike. It looks a lot different than it did when we first picked it up. If you've been following along, this was a 2023 Lowrider S, and I completely converted it and transformed it into its Super Saiyan self here, the 2023 Lowrider ST. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to cut this video short because I've got to go pick up my baby. I am a dad, and this is just extra time that I get to spend with you guys. So I really appreciate it if you like and subscribe to my channel. I try to give you guys the best quality content. I will not stop putting out awesome videos. You guys don't forget about the Dyna Lowrider. We've got a lot of stuff to talk about with that bike, but I'm pretty happy with HogWorkz, man. HogWorkz has hooked it up with this bike. It is an absolute beast, and I really appreciate you guys stopping by. So that's gonna be it for this video. You guys don't be scared to add a little bit of bling to your bike. Whatever your vision calls for is it's your own thing. So do whatever the hell you like. Personalize your bike. I mean, shit, that looks pretty sick. That looks pretty sick. You guys, my name is Miles. Ride fast, take chances. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.